there's some dirt bike stands. This is a junior stand that's already put together, but I have to put together a full-size stand. So this is for the big bikes. I've got 2 halves, the top, and 4 feet. So let's put this thing together.
First steps is I go through and tack the 2 sides together and then go ahead and weld them fully out, inside and out, so they're extremely strong and don't break. That's kind of the core of it. And then I move on to the top and get that all tacked together, and it's about an 8-inch run. So I try and run that completely non-stop so it looks the best. And then I move on to the feet, get those completely welded up. I kind of have to center it in my jig.
That's how you put together one of these stands. It's not too bad, but we make them all here in-house. As you can see, it was all TIG welded aluminum. We do our best with it. They're kind of fun to build, but now we gotta grind it down, decal it up, put the top on, and then we'll have a finished product. That's how you build a dirt bike stand that is a manufactured product here in North Carolina. None of the Chinese stuff, we make it all here. It's all moto decals, everything's laser cut, TIG welded, everything right here.